Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share a stunning collection of simple bed designs. So let's explore the world of minimalistic elegance with our latest YouTube video showcasing a curated collection of simple bed designs. From sleek modern frames to timeless wooden creations, this compilation is a feast for the eyes of anyone seeking functional yet stylish bedroom inspiration. In this video, we have handpicked a diverse range of bed designs that prove simplicity can be incredibly sophisticated. Whether you are a fan of clean lines, subtle detailing, or a blend of materials, you're sure to find a bed that resonates with your taste. So join us on this visual journey as we highlight the key features and design elements that make each bed stand out. Discover how minimalism can transform your bedroom into a serene and inviting space. So, friends, I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this collection, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you find this design that captivates you, subscribe for more design and inspiration. Share this video with your friends and family who appreciate the beauty of simplicity in home decor. Let's embark on a journey of minimalistic sophistication together. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.